Kadorio drok heroin belayo Kurup da pulit na kynthei ke basakam hadian ke cing powder ha ke video ke basuba ya dia ti drok haji estud hajan themyo mulong persa ke butia market kalong hadu art klur san lak tingka layathu director general of police ke jela Meghalaya dr lr bisnoy habakran hakilat phai khubor halum sinong hadian ke jing saki ya ke jing thang yo drugs bat kanja bosong dor sau klur tingka ka khandai terik na wieng arjar fly u dgp loong ba katrat pulit klayo manta ya ke jing lang na kipai ba banrat ding khong yo drugs kuman syukudo ba katei ke video kala sapriang akirin san social media kan no phai singi kan riu terik na wieng arjar fly bat langai balaring ya kani ke video do brio bala pic share ba ya ke jing de ya drugs ha kani ka chaka ha katei hi kan no phai singi hakani ke video blaring na Shillong kecaka bodon kebutia market lai I ya kynthei kibla a ya kiti bat kisamla sinrang kumba ya keliang ai marketi kebala pensubajur ba kide kijingdi penbuat.
But I am happy to inform you that recently in Shillong, the many drug peddlers have been arrested by the people and they were handed over to the police department. So this is a happy sign because jointly we have to overcome the problem. All the responsibility if you place only on the shoulders of administration, so then solution cannot be imminent. If everybody come forward, then solution will be very easy then. So you as a media, you also have a very, very vital and crucial role to create awareness among the public, to highlight the consequences of the problem. Because your outreach is much more than ours. So that is why your role is important. So the public started coming forward. Once that hesitation is gone, then definitely they will start cooperating. Once they know that district police is very serious about this problem, they will come forward. Many people are giving us information through social media also, and we are responding. 2-3 days back there was viral video where one lady was selling some kind of cannabis, and the people were purchasing, paying money. She has been arrested yesterday. Not only she has been arrested, we have recovered almost 2.5 crore rupees heroin from her possessions. So results will be given and public will come forward. If results are delayed, if the police is not showing interest, etc., you are free to inform senior officers and we will try our best to redress the grievances.